Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Volkswagen Passat? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a large digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen for infotainment and vehicle controls. It has a sleek design with premium materials and customizable displays. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays for navigation, driver assistance, and essential vehicle data. The LCD features a 12-inch digital display for driving info and a 15-inch touchscreen for infotainment and vehicle controls. The gear system ensures smooth shifting, enhanced performance, and driving efficiency. The steering wheel offers precise control, comfort, and multifunctional buttons. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, central warning lamp, fasten seatbelt, brake system fault, electronic parking brake switched, take over control of the vehicle, engine oil level too low, engine oil pressure too low, fault in engine coolant system, steering fault, fault in the 12-volt power, collision warning, take over steering immediately. Gearbox overheated, fault in pneumatic suspension. Intervention by proactive, selective catalytic reduction. Add blue level too low, central warning lamp. Fault in airbag, front passenger, front airbag switched off. Front passenger, front airbag switched on. Emergency call service. Electronic parking brake. Check the brake pads. Electronic stability control. Traction control system switched off. Anti-lock brake system. Engine oil system fault. Engine oil system fault. Fuel tank almost empty. Travel assist not available. Water in the diesel. Vehicle lighting. Rear fog light switched on. Rain light sensor fault. Fault in wipers. Washer fluid level too low. Fault in steering. Low tire pressure, front assist not available. Front assist is starting up. Advanced road sign display not available. Cruise control system fault. Adaptive cruise control not available. Emergency assist intervention. Fault in the lane change system. Night vision deactivated. Fault in engine management system. Roadworks ahead, accident ahead. Particulate filter clogged with soot. Engine speed limited. Gearbox fault. Fault in anti-roll control. Ball coupling. Vehicle key not in vehicle. Depress the brake pedal. Turn signals. Speed stored. Auxiliary heater. Hill descent control. Power limitation. Main beam. Outside temperature colder. Start-stop system active. Start-stop system not available. Service due. Distance warning. Night vision fault. Off-road driving profile. Eco driving profile, comfort mode. Mobile phone battery charge level, sport mode. Take your foot off the accelerator, cruise control. Off-road gravel mode, snow mode. Individual driving profile, speed regulation. Vehicle ahead, steering wheel heating. Driver inattentive. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.